Welcome to PackTab Web. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to manage the baselines. To access the baseline, we have to click on the baseline option and then click on the baselines button. List of baseline will be available here. Initially, only the drafted ones will be shown here. If we want to see all the baselines, we have to use the filter option. We have to select the all option here and click on the filter. So all the available baselines will be loaded. If you want to see only the submitted one, we can click on the submitted and filter. Only the submitted ones will be available here. We can also run search on this. So if we just for example, if we write down dream here and click search, it will only show all the baselines that have dream in it. We can clear the search. This is how we can search and filter on the list. Now if we want to add a new baseline, we have to select a particular theme. For example, I am going to select the land, then click on the new baseline button. The baseline form will appear. Here all the red asterisk field denotes that these are the required fields. If we don't fill any of the required fields and try to save, it will actually show us the message that we need to provide information on that field. I am going to provide some dummy data here. We have to provide image. I am using some dummy image. Then we will have to provide the location. Usually it should be the current location. So to select the current location, we have to click on the my location. It will automatically select the current location. We can also click on the other places to replace the marker, and finally click on the select place button to select the map. So the location is selected, latitude longitude data is updated. Now we have to provide the other information as well. Then we will have to provide the admin areas here. We have to provide the other required field. Finally, we have to click on the save button. So the baseline will be saved and its status will be drafted. We can actually edit the data as many times as we want before we submit. For example, we are editing the last field, test edited and update. So that data is updated. We can see the detail of a baseline clicking on the eye icon. The detail of the baseline is shown here. We can see all the detail and verify. Then if we feel that we need to update any of the data here, we can do that. We can click on the all the fields are not shown in one page. Per page 20 fields are shown. So then if we want to see the next field, we have to click on the next button. We see the last field is here. We can edit it anytime from here as well. Even we can delete it, and we have the option to submit. After we submit, we will no longer be able to delete or edit the baselines. For my case, I am going to click on the submit button. Or if we don't want to do anything at this point, we can simply click on the discard. So it will load the index view where only the drafted ones will be loaded. Then we can click on the eye icon at the right side, then click on the submit. If we feel that everything is okay, we can click on the submit button. That means the form is going to be submitted. It's verifying that if we really want to submit it, then we click OK, then the form is going to submit it, and it will wait for the review. So whenever we submit a particular baseline, a message is going to be sent to the reviewer. So reviewer will either approve or reject this baseline after review, and we will be notified. So this is how the baseline is going to be managed. Thanks for watching this tutorial.